হ্যালো, আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আই এম জাহাঙ্গীর আলম। আমি আজকে ডিসকাস করব ফ্লেমিং লেফট হ্যান্ড রুল। ফ্লেমিং লেফট হ্যান্ড রুল, ইফ দ্য ফার্স্ট ফিঙ্গার অফ your left hand represent the direction of the magnetic field from north to south, that means this first finger represent the direction of the magnetic field from north to south, and second finger represent from positive to negative, that means direction of the current. Then your thumb finger will represent the direction of force or thrust or motion of the current carrying wire. So if we know the direction of the magnetic field and direction of the current carrying wire, direction of the current, then we can determine the direction of the force by using Fleming left hand rule. Fleming left hand rule is very important for motor effect to determine the direction of the force. Look at the diagram here. It is a left hand. The direction of remember, the direction of the magnetic field, direction of the magnetic field is north to south here, north to south, north to south here, and direction of the current is positive to negative. That means the front side of the index finger, that means first finger of your left hand, is indicated towards the south, that means north to south, and second finger represent positive to negative, that means the front side of the second finger is represented towards the negative corner, that means current flowing from positive to negative. Then your thumb finger will show the direction of the force or movement of the wire. ওকে, এখন আমরা বের করার চেষ্টা করব যে insert the missing information. Question number 1. Forces direction. Look at the diagram here. The direction of the magnetic field is north to south. This is my left hand, north to south, but across. Look at the information below the slide. Dot means the current out of the pace, and cross means the current into the pace. So direction of the current is into the pace. So direction of the current into the pace. Then my left hand comes downwards. So the direction of the force here downwards. So question number one here, it is north pole, and here it is south pole, north and south. The direction of the magnetic field from north to south, the direction of the magnetic field is north to south, and a current carrying wire is placed in such a way that the current flowing towards the surface, towards the glass board, means current into the pace. So cross means the direction of the current. It is the symbol of current carrying wire. So this current carrying wire experience a force downwards. We can determine the direction of the force by using Fleming left hand rule. Look at the diagram. So first you have to place the first finger of your left hand north to south. That means north to south. Look at my finger, north to south, and second finger is towards the glass surface. Then my thumb finger comes downwards. So that's why direction of the force is downwards. The direction of the force is downwards. Now question number 2. Look at the diagram first. Here magnetic field is north pole here, north pole is here, north pole is here, north, it is north, and here it is south, it is south. So current flowing from north to south, north to south, and force downwards, force downwards, force downwards. So try to yourself. So here a magnetic field is north to south, north to south, and current, but force experienced downwards, force experienced downwards, force is given, force experienced downwards. So what is the direction of the force downwards? Force downwards, magnetic field north to south, north to south. Look at my finger, north to south, and thumb finger downwards. So my second finger comes, that means direction of the current. So direction of the current here means current out of the pace. So dot, this dot symbol represent the direction. So here the answer will be like this. Look at the slide. Look at the slide here. So direction of the force is downwards. So direction of the current is like dot. Dot means the current out of the pace. Current out of the pace. Current out of the pace of the glass board. Now question number 3. Look at the question number 3. Question number 3. Here direction of the current and force are given. We have to find out the direction of the magnetic field. That means we have to find out the north and position of the north and south poles. North and south poles. So look, the direction, dot means the direction of the current is out of the pace. That means dot means direction of the current is out of the pace. Force is upward here, but force is upward here, force is upward here, force upward, force upward. So dot means the direction of the current is outward, and force is upward, So what will be the direction of the magnetic field, position of the, so here it is north and south, north. So why? According to the Fleming left hand rule, clear? So answer will be north and south. Then question number 4. North to south. Here north to south, and dot means the direction of the current is out of the pace. So here in the left side of upward and cross side downwards. So it rotates clockwise. So দেখো এই যে আমরা ফ্লেমিং লেফট হ্যান্ড রুল ইউজ করে আমরা ইজিলি ফাইন্ড আউট করতে পারতেছি যে একটা কারেন্ট ক্যারিং ওয়্যার অথবা একটা কারেন্ট ক্যারিং কন্ডাক্টরকে যদি আমরা একটা ম্যাগনেটিক ফিল্ডের মাঝে প্লেস করি, এখানে পারপেন্ডিকুলারলি প্লেস করা হচ্ছে, রিমেম্বার, প্লেস করি, তাহলে সে একটা ফোর্স এক্সপেরিয়েন্স করবে। কিন্তু আমরা সেই ডিরেকশন অফ দ্য ফোর্স ডিটারমাইন করতে পারবো by using Fleming left hand rule.